Today's episode is the Bootstrapper's Guide to Getting Customers with Google Ads, with Facebook Ads, with Perplexity, with HeyGen, with 11 Labs, and more. It is easy to vibe code an app. You've done it, I've done it, but it is so hard to actually get customers. Now, there doesn't exist tutorials on YouTube that give the actual sauce with how to do it. And today with Cody Schneider, we just show you how to do it step by step, how to get your customers, how to run paid ads. What does that look like? No gatekeeping, all the sauce. And if you stick to the end of the episode,
I will give you an easy system to learn the whole thing that's called Click, starting with the first step.
But it's basically a YouTube channel email scraper. And this is a like perfect type of product that you'd want to go build. Let me do YouTube channel email extractor. That's actually what it is.
By the way, I notice you have, what is that Chrome extension that you're using that shows the
it's called
SEO
Keywords
part.
Everywhere. They owe me so much money for like showing this. I don't know why it doesn't want to open right now. But basically it's just a browser extension that modifies Google so that you can see the total volume, the total CP or the average CPC, the competition. And then also like this is what I use for all those trend graphs that I post. It basically like shows you the search volume over time for this graph. So like this one, there's like not good data, so it doesn't really show anything. But this is it's a great way to do quick validation research. And for anything that you're building, this is actually where I would start before I'd even build a product. Is like I would try to figure out like the marketing and the go-to-market motion before I even build anything. Because if you can't validate that people actually want to buy this, like you shouldn't build it. And I think this is like a mistake I see a lot of first-time founders or builders create. They always, what they do is they build product and then try to figure out marketing, and it should be the opposite.
It should always be check demand first. If there is no demand of the product that you're building, you're not going to make money. We know money is a byproduct of what we give first. And that's why we make these videos every single day with the hope that at least one viewer will get one help from our videos. If that happens, we will consider this our greatest success. But we cannot keep on doing it without your help. And for that, the only thing we need from you is like this video, share with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel. Because if you do that, YouTube will consider this video as an important video and they will share it with more and more people. And if more people gets benefit, you will be the part of the blessing, inshallah. So please go ahead, hit the like button, share with your friends and family, social media contacts, subscribe yourself, and ask your friends and family to subscribe as well. And in this way, you will help us get 10,000 followers in next 3 months. We need your help because we cannot do it without you. I'll give you a second for taking action, and then let's go watch the rest of the video.
Google Ads account, and I'm going to show you like step by step how to actually set up like the paid ad strategy here. So to begin with, you're going to go do new campaign. And what I typically do is I start with a click campaign. And the reason for that is because I'm just trying to see the actual keywords that people are searching. All of these keyword research tools, they're going to give you like what they, it's an estimate, of what they think that people are searching based on the data that they're aggregating from like all the clickstream data, et cetera. But what I actually want to figure out is the actual search terms that people are searching from the beginning. So I'm going to do website traffic. I'm going to do search. Another campaign type is Performance Max. I'll talk about that in a second. We're seeing that actually be really effective right now, so I can talk to that in a moment. But then what I'll do is we'll like throw up a website. We'll just say like YouTube scraper, right, as like a placeholder. And then just to get us to like move forward, it's going to try to pull information from this, but it doesn't exist, so there won't be anything to do there. So from here, we're just going to do page view as the events, and then I'm going to talk through how to actually set up events in the future for the actual sign up that you're trying to get to happen. You can set up events for sign up or also a payment conversion. It's the same exact like technical deployment to do both of those things. But again, I'm focusing on the clicks to begin with. And the reason for that is, again, I'm just trying to understand like the actual like things that people are searching and clicking on. It's
Step number 2, and it's amazing because it just works. Launch Google Ads. Clicks on the ads will tell you how much market demand you actually have. Now, at any point, if you think it's a lot of work, you are a busy dad or a busy mom, or you have a 9-to-5 day job, then don't worry. The people I'm showing you, they are the real members earning real money from our program, and our program is 99% done for you. You can go to the link in the description and watch this free training, completely free to watch training, and learn about our 99% done for you program. It's a complete step-by-step program. It will answer most of your questions. If you still have questions, chat with this AI chat agent. It is trained to answer just like me. And if you still have questions, shoot me a DM on Instagram or a message on Facebook Messenger, and I will be more than happy to answer any of your questions.
And when I say a landing page, like literally all I'm talking about is like, you know, it's straight up just like the hero section of your website has that exact keyword. So like an example of this, I mean, we could do this in Lovable right now, right? Like build a landing page for this target keyword.
I mean, it should have the best practices of a landing page, which is, for example, you probably don't want to have any nav bar. You probably want high contrast. You probably want juicy buttons. You know,
100%.
So people need to look at, you know, best squeeze pages, best landing pages, and use that as a reference.
You want them to do one action. I think this is the thing that people always get fucked up on is they're like, they're trying to like get them to watch a demo and also like download this ebook. And it's like, no, this person is coming in on an ad. I want to only show them one thing that is the most high value thing that I can get them to do. And you don't know what that is. You don't even know, like, is it an ebook? Is it but it's one thing that you're trying to get them. You can get them deeper into the funnel later on, but like just doing that one thing is going to be the most effective. And you made a great point, Greg, of just like follow best practices. Like you can literally go to Perplexity and be like,
now look at what he's doing. If you're asking, how can I do it? How can I build a page? How do I know what to write? The answer is right here.
What should the structure of this landing page be for this keyword, right? And it's like, here's the keyword. And then it's just going to give you the structure, and you take that over to Lovable and you build that landing page out, right? Like that's like literally.
It's so easy.
It's so easy. Like this used to take me, again, like I've been doing this 15 years, right? Like this used to take me weeks, Greg. And now I just did this live.
In a couple of clicks and copy and paste. So the next step is isolate just one action, one single action. Don't confuse people with multiple actions, just one action.
Do we have time to go over, you know,
I do Facebook ads real quick because it's very related to this, and just like run through kind of the whole strategy. I think that's probably a good like stop point. And then we can come back and we can turn this into a series where we'll do a series on cold DM and cold email. Those can be paired. And then we can do the next piece, which is like, okay, here's how to make a content engine for your business, right?
Beautiful. Comment if you want to see that.
If you want to see that, you better comment. I swear.
Now see what they're doing. They're going to deliver something valuable, and they're asking people to comment. So basically take action.
To God, you better run up Greg's comments right now. I will respond to every comment that says, show me the money, show me the goods, show me the sauce. I will go through every single one of them. I want 1,000 comments in the comment section. All right.
And that's how you capture attention of your audience.
Interesting. Yeah. But anyway, so what you're doing there basically is you are building out this ad within the application. We're going to run through this.
They're using HeyGen, an AI avatar creating software that even we use for our AI generated videos.
You have to generate the AI avatar. You then shorten the word gaps so that it's like faster pacing. Add captions, add a title that's like some type of hooky title. Where it's like influencer marketing easy mode, right? Or some, I don't know, whatever. Test a bunch of different ones. And have that be for the hook section of the ad.
That's the main point of this section. Keep testing creatives. That's the click method, my friend. Check demand first. Launch Google Ads to ensure the demand. If you have demand, go for it. If you don't have demand, don't try. Isolate one action. Just ask for either signing up or purchase or watch or click, but one action. Capture attention the same way they did it. Shout out loud when you have something valuable to share. Don't be shy. And for that, if you need to use different creatives, using AI avatar, go use it, but keep doing it. That's the click method. Go click. What is stopping you? If you like this video, gently hit the like button. If you dislike this video, then share with your friends and family. Because whether you liked it or not, it could be helpful to your friends and family and your social media contact. And if you think we are doing our best to try and explain to you how you can change your life, and you want to watch the next video, then make sure you subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button. And make sure you ask your friends and family and social media contacts to subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button as well. This way, you will help us get 10,000 subscribers in next 3 months. To learn more money techniques, watch these videos, and we will see you on the next one.